It's a 2018 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, security vehicle tracker system with slowdown, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.